Hello, and here's my list of beginner art supplies, starting with two HB pencils, and next a fine point paintbrush, another paintbrush, just a thicker point here. This was part of another paint set. And next, I have this paint mixer that I also use for texture paint, and it came in two different sizes and shapes. This is another shape in the set that I got it in. And I got these disposable cutlery again for like just any fun texture work experiments. And it came with spoons as well. There we go. And next, a large paintbrush, good for background work. I also found these foam paintbrushes, which I love the shape of it. And it's always good to have some plastic cups just to keep paint and keep paintbrushes clean. But I also found this one with a cover and to hold, the paintbrushes in there. Can fill it with water again to hold and to keep things clean and in case of any accidents and spills. And it's always good to have a container, for storage. I prefer getting a clear container just because I like to see where my things are, and a cover is very helpful. And there you go. And for sketchbooks, get whatever type you like. I like to get 9 by 12. And the paper, it's slightly thicker than normal paper. Um, I like to get also watercolor paper just to practice, some ideas. And you see with watercolor paper, it's a thicker quality and the thickness and the texture, it's different. And it's thicker as well for, again, painting on. And also getting a panel, a canvas panel or a canvas board, whatever, 8 by 8, get whatever size. They even have black ones as well. And next, so this is the paints that I was talking about earlier. This is called gouache. It also came with a paint palette, which is also handy. I love getting sets that have as many tools in it as possible. And it also came with these 3 paintbrushes. And I happen to get the pink one, but it comes in different, colors as well. And the paints brushes are pretty good quality, so I was very happy about that. And I'll show you a few of the colors. So the thing with gouache, it's water-based, and because of where I am, it's winter time and the air is quite dry, so I choose to keep most of these closed until I use it. And as you can see, yeah, these are more colors here. I'm trying not to like open it all the way just because of where I live, it's quite dry, the air. I don't want things to dry out too quickly. Although you can add water to it to rehydrate it. There we go. Got it out. A red, beautiful colors. And again, it's so vibrant. Like I like gouache because it's not watered down or anything. It is water-based, but the colors are very vibrant and they mix well. And it's not a bad price for when you're starting out. And when you want to invest more money, you can go for higher quality acrylics, but instead of getting dollar store ones, you know, invest in some gouache. And I got this actually off of Amazon, or if you find it in an art supply store. And I love the cover, it snaps very well. And next, I like getting a good quality sharpener, pencil sharpener, and a permanent marker, fine point, a compass, and even with the sharpener and the markers, I get it back to school time. And this came with the compass. I love getting a clear ruler, really handy. And this I actually found recently at the dollar store. It's a fine point black pen. See the fine point there? It's pretty good. I was quite impressed by it. And this watercolor palette with washable paint, I was very impressed with the quality, and it's very vibrant, the colors for Crayola. And of course, always have a container. And I love these rubber bottoms because it didn't move around my desk too much. So as I'm drawing, I like to keep my supplies at hand. And that's my little setup. For when I'm kind of working too, I use that container. And these pastels, I really decided to invest a bit of money, but I got this on sale during back to school time. And I love the colors of these, and they blend very well. And the variety of colors, I found it worth it. Yeah, that's my beginner list. Bye now.